Everyone thinks the best-selling foldable shopping cart is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Seiki Heavy Duty Wagon, Black. First up is the Seiki Wagon Cart in black. Priced at $39.99, this cart really caught my attention with its heavy-duty build and a whopping 220-pound capacity. If you want a reliable cart that can handle heavy loads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Built with a heavy-duty carbon steel frame, this wagon can carry everything from groceries to beach gear without breaking a sweat. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, it's much easier to maneuver than traditional carts. Plus, the 360-degree rotating wheels let you glide over any surface, grass, gravel, or pavement, making it super versatile. And with over 1,800 reviews averaging 4.6 stars, it's evident that buyers love it, with 10,000 sold just this month alone. Now, some people complained about the handle being a bit low for taller users. Here's the thing though, if you're under 6 feet, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, and you'll appreciate the ergonomic design that reduces strain on your hands. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy cart for heavy items or outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for quick grocery runs. But for the price, it's a great value. Now, if that handle height worried you, the next one I'm showing you takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Seiki Heavy Duty Wagon, Pink. Next, we have a Seiki Wagon Cart in pink. Also priced at $39.99, it shares many features with the black version. But hey, if you prefer a pop of color, this one's for you. If you want a reliable, stylish cart, this is worth a serious look. This cart maintains the same heavy-duty carbon steel frame and 220 pounds capacity as the black version. It's perfect for hauling groceries or gardening supplies. The lightweight design makes it a breeze to carry, and those 360-degree wheels will have you zipping around any terrain without a hitch. With the same high ratings and impressive sales numbers, it's clear that lots of people are choosing this one for its functionality and looks. Some users have mentioned that the pink color might fade over time. But honestly, if you're not too worried about aesthetics and just want a dependable cart, this shouldn't matter too much. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a stylish cart that doesn't compromise on capacity. Skip this one if you need something that will withstand heavy outdoor conditions. The value here is solid, especially for those who love a bit of color. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more versatility. Product number 3, Seiki Heavy Duty Wagon, Blue. Now let's check out the Seiki Wagon Cart in blue, again at $39.99. This one caught my eye for its classic color and the same heavy-duty features as the other two. If you want a strong and dependable cart that also looks good, this is worth a serious look. It has that same incredible 220 pounds capacity, which means you can load it up with everything from beach gear to shopping bags without worrying about it collapsing. Weighing just 10 pounds, it's easy to transport, and the 360-degree wheels make navigating through tight spaces a breeze. With 4.6 stars from 1,800 reviews, it's no wonder it's a bestseller. A minor complaint is that some users feel the cart can be a bit wobbly when fully loaded. But honestly, if you're careful with how you load it, you shouldn't run into any issues. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cart for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for a cart that can handle extreme conditions. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want a cart that's even more versatile for different uses, let's move on to the next one. Product number 4, our Modern Space Cart, Black, Large. Next up is our Modern Space Shopping Cart, priced at $54.90. This one caught my attention with its extra-large design and heavy-duty capabilities. If you need a large, sturdy cart for heavy loads, this is worth a serious look. The cart can hold up to 100 pounds and is made from ultra-durable stainless steel, ensuring it's built to last. It features a waterproof liner, so you don't need to worry about your groceries getting wet. The dimensions are impressive, making it ideal for everything from laundry to shopping. And with a 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, many buyers are satisfied with its performance. Some users mentioned it's on the heavier side at 18 pounds, which can be cumbersome for some. Here's the thing though, if you need the extra capacity, that weight is a small price to pay for the added durability. This is perfect for you if you have larger items to transport. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for quick trips. It offers great value considering its load capacity and build quality. Alright, that was a fantastic option. But if you're looking for something even lighter, wait until you see the next one. Product number 5, our Modern Space Cart, black, compact. Lastly, we have our Modern Space Shopping Cart, a more compact version priced at $39.95. This caught my attention for its lightweight design and portability. If you want something easy to carry around for quick grocery trips, this is worth a serious look. At just 8 pounds, this cart is extremely portable and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for light shopping or laundry. It still holds up to 60 pounds, so you won't be short on capacity. The collapsible design means it can fit in tight spaces, and it comes with a sturdy stainless steel frame. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's a favorite for quick errands. One complaint is that some users feel it might not be as durable for heavier loads. But honestly, if you're primarily using it for lighter items, this cart shines in its category. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight solution for errands. Skip this one if you need something for heavy hauling. It's a great value for the ease and convenience it offers. So there you have it, 5 great options for foldable shopping carts. From the heavy-duty SeaKey carts to the more compact, our modern space models, there's something for everyone. Whether you need style, capacity, or portability, you can't go wrong with these choices.